Hey everyone, let's discuss about the websites. Why most black websites fail? Not because of bad content, right? But what's the reason why the most fail? But because of the layout. Let's see. Tell me one thing, be honestly, would you actually read these kind of websites? No, right? Let's see here. Look at this. Walls of text, no breath spacing, no structure. It feels heavy, right? It's confusing you and honestly hard to read, right or wrong, right? So what users they do? Users don't read, they definitely leave, right? So what you have to do if you wanna make a perfect website, black website for your clients, uh, what you have to do? You have to follow something, right? What a super senior designer don't reveal the secret. Let's discuss about here. It's called F pattern. Why we have to focus on this kind of F pattern? Every user starts scanning from here. They scan, actually they don't read, they scan. They scroll fast, they look patterns, right? Actually last seconds. What kind of patterns works here? F pattern. Why F pattern? Cause they start from here and they end here. They come back and start here and end here. Same like that way. It shapes like F, and from the top to bottom they scroll like this. They scan like this, they scroll like this. So it seems like F pattern eye tracking, right? That's why easy to scan. It's easy to scan. That's why we have to follow this kind of F pattern for blacks kind of websites. Okay, if you see here, it's also F shape layout, right? And let's see next step. If you see here, most designs ignore this, right? Why? They center everything. Okay, they center everything, random spacing, no clear hierarchy, ignoring user flow. Designing for yourself or designing for users? Think about it. Okay, when everything looks the same, nothing stands out. Okay, and destroy readability. So what you have to do? Again you have to follow something else. What's the another option there? F pattern is better option for you for this kind of blacks website. Okay, and let's see here, let's compare these two images, these two websites. You can't read here, you at least you can scan here, you can read here, you can understanding within few seconds, right? It's better flow and it feels clean. It hard, right? It feels hard, it feels clean. It's structured layout, right? Efforts let read, right? That's why this is powerful layout. Okay, now hope you understand why you have to use this kind of F pattern websites. And let's see here, let's break it down. Typography. Okay, this create contrast, spacing, this create clarity, hierarchy, guides attention, alignment, this creates flow and sidebar. Okay, this supports scanning visuals. Okay, and same here, you can understand. Design is not a decoration, it's a direction, right? You are not styling, you are guiding attention, right? Okay, tell me, which one would you read in this? And more importantly, which one are you building? This one or this one? You are not making websites, you are shaping how people think. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe and support our channel to get more this kind of informative videos.